Most important question of integration. Let us see the question. Find integration of x minus 3 into ex upon x minus 1 whole qt. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? First you iron there. You know the technique, integration of e to the power ex into function of x plus derivative of function dx equal to what? Simply ex into function of x plus c. So in the same format we can change them. So now we can write integration of e to the power x. Here x minus 3 upon x minus 1 whole cube. So we can write x minus 1 upon x minus whole cube. And now here x minus 3. So this is minus 2 upon x minus 1 whole cube dx. Now you can see integration of ex, and here x minus 1, here x minus 1 whole cube. So we can write x only, we can write 1 upon x minus 1 whole square, and this is same 2 upon x minus 1 whole cube dx. Now you know this is what? 1 upon x minus 1 whole square. So derivative of this function, that is x minus 1 power minus 2, is what? Nx to the power n minus 1. So minus 2 into x minus 1 to the power minus 3. So we will get minus 2 upon x minus 1 whole cube. So derivative of this function is what? This function. So our direct answer will be ex into function. So function is 1 upon x minus 1 whole square. So right answer is ex upon x minus 1 whole square plus c. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of x tan inverse dx. So for this type of question here, product of the two functions, we will use what? Integration by part. So technique is what? ILET, inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. So here given inverse function, so this is the first function and this is what? Second function. So rule is what? That is integration. So left the first function, that is tan inverse x. Integration of second, so integration of x is what? X square by 2 minus integration. Derivative of first function, so derivative of tan inverse x is what? 1 upon 1 plus x square into integration of second. So integration of second x is what? X square by 2 dx. So we can write x square tan inverse x divided by 2 minus. This is 1 by 2 and this is what? Integration of x square upon 1 plus x square dx. So what we can write here? See. So here x square upon 1 plus x square dx. So we can write x tan inverse x by 2 and this is minus half. Now we can write 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square. A minus 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Right? So this is what? Integration of 1 plus x square upon 1 plus square and minus 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. So we can write here x tan inverse x by 2 and this is simply minus half. And now this is cancelled. So integration of 1 dx is what? Simply x. And here integration of 1 by 1 plus x square. So you know derivative of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. So integration of 1 by 1 plus square is tan inverse x. So this is what? Minus tan inverse x and plus c. So now we can write this is x. So x tan inverse x by 2 minus half x minus tan inverse x plus c is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of tan inverse x d. So you know integration of tan inverse, that is derivative of tan inverse x we know, and which function derivative of is tan inverse we don't know. So for this type of question, simple technique you are just multiply by 1 and use integration by parts. So here we can write integration of tan inverse x into 1 dx. Now you know this is the function of 2, inverse and algebraic. So I let inverse first and algebraic second. So this is the first function, this is the second function. Now rule is what? Left the first function, so this is tan inverse x. Integration of secant, so 1 is the secant, so integration of 1 is what? X minus integration. Derivative of first, so you know derivative of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. And this is what? Integration of secant. So integration of secant is what? 1. So this is what? This. Now we can write simply x tan inverse x minus integration of x upon 1 plus x square. So when we put 1 plus x square equal to t, then dt by dx equal to what? 2x. So dx equal to dt upon 2x, so x is cancelled. So we will get what? Minus 1 by 2 and integration of 1 by t. So integration of 1 by t is what? Log t. So we can simply write log t, that is t is what? 1 plus x square. So half log 1 plus x square plus c. This is our correct answer.